Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to select different multiple cells, columns and rows in Microsoft Excel. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. First, let's say we wanna select all this column here. And let's say after that we wanna select this one. But how to do it without losing the first one? I mean, how to do it without losing the highlight of the first one column. So just select it again like this, and now hold control of your keyboard, and now select the other one that you want to select. So that's how to select different multiple columns in Microsoft Excel. The same is for the rows. Let me show you. When you hold control of your keyboard, you can select other one and another one and another one, and it's working actually, and only for one cell. Let me show you. Let's select this one and this one and this one and this one. So that's simply how to select different multiple cells, columns and rows in Microsoft Excel. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, see you next video. Bye.